Hello, I discussed about memory game and making a set of playing cards in my previous video. One suggestion is that one may use chart paper to make 52 pieces. Now in this video we will see another game, blindfolded. Collect some random items in a basket like spoon, pen, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, or glass, or book, or plate, or comb, belt, ruler, candle, etc. All are household items only. But don't keep scissors or any other pointed items. Call the blindfolded child to pick up one item from the container and identify it by his fingers. See how many items he was able to recognize out of 10 objects you have placed. Keep a record of his improvement every time. This game will improve his sense of touch. He realizes he can feel the world not only with his eyes but also with the skin. In this connection, you can tell him about Helen Keller. Helen Keller, who was blind, deaf, and dumb, but perceived the world with her sense of touch, and she became world famous. She wrote many books sharing her experiences, how she perceived the world. Now we will come to another activity, that is map making. Ask the child to tell some important landmarks that he sees on the way to his school. If he goes by walk, he will be able to tell some. But if he goes by auto or car or bus, he hardly notices anything. So help him learn to prepare route map for his school or for going to any other place like grandmother's house or friend's house or temple. By this way, he will be able to observe and memorize the big structures or shops or turns or curves on the route. And also, he will be able to explain to his friend or cousin over the phone using his route map correctly. He will make it a habit of noticing all these big things and record them in his memory. Then it will help him to go alone also and come back without confusion. Even if he goes for a new route, he will be able to um, remember what are all the um, landmarks that he crossed, and he must be able to come back without any confusion. And map studying, this map making, we are asking the child to prepare for himself, and he can improve this activity by studying the maps that are prepared by others. Like it helps the child to have a clear idea about the place, how to reach it, what to expect, and how to explore before actually going to a place. Like tourist spots or tourist places, he can initiate study about them. And so when he goes there, he will be able to make it feel it familiar. But nowadays, because of the corona and going physically is not possible, uh, but once he studies, he will remember it. For if when he gets a chance to go there, he will recollect. And then when he goes with a group of people also, if he is better informed about the route or about the place, he will be able to guide them. Everyone want their child to excel, so we should not restrict him only to studies or getting marks or ranks. Your child will be able to improve his skills to excel in the real practical world by these activities. So I hope you find this information useful, and you may forward this to others to help their children. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you.